Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are watching more memes today. Also, please let me know if you like this format. I normally just show like my head, but if we like a full body look, I will continue doing them. But anyways, let's go. Let's dig right in. Was it just a piece of Oh, that had to have hurt. Wait, Shoddy just fell off the table. Hi, Rooster. The rooster wants to sell you car insurance. Ooh, ah. Oh, get it? Oh, get it? Go, cow, go. Oh, why? What? Why would someone harm the cow mascot, man? What the heck? There's no way. That poor mascot, man. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh. All that hard work for nothing. Oh no. Oh no. That had to be painful. What was that? Oh, bye bye. Bye bye, sausages. No sausages for you. I get it. Some nice hot fries. Yeah, some nice hot fries with a drizzle on the arm, I guess. I'm sorry. Oh no. That's a poor spot for a security camera. Wait. I just realized they have like all those fancy shoes on displays next to the basketball court. Why? Why? Oh yeah, Spider-Man?
That asshole Spider-Man. Pause.
Oh, there's no way.
Quick, send in the Millennium Falcon.
Damn. My heart is breaking. Oh, that is expensive Lego, and this man just threw it at the wall and broke it. Nah. My soul. Wait, Spider-Man's real? Hello? He's saving crimes, not preventing crimes, not saving crimes. Are you preventing crimes? I think. What's he doing? What happened? Oh, bye-bye. Excuse me? Who let the parrot drive the car, man? Who let the parrot in? What is that? A rat? That's not that scary. Salami. Oh! That poor person driving by.
Stop!
That
Like,
is
this
creepy.
thing just running at you at night is freaky. Don't I?
Can you imagine just waking up and that's what you see coming down your hallway? Imagine. Oh, look at these little birds. What kind of bird is this? Hey, I learned last reel. Not last reel. I learned last video. Y'all told me birds aren't real. They're part of the government. Haha, see, I'm learning something. Learning something on the internet. That's what you all told me in the comments. Last video we did on here. Oh, bye-bye.
This one. But the rest held. And we decided to do... Oh my god!
The rest did not hold. Why is the motorcycle in the house? This is a disaster waiting to happen. What? Is that a bowling ball? Strength? How many tries did it take him to perfect that video? Do you think he did it one and done? First take? Oh, we got like a rave pigeon. That sounded like it hurt. Bye. Bye-bye, food.
Oh, shit.
Oh? Uh-oh. No.
Oh.
Okay, I thought it was gonna be like more damage. He's probably like, wow, I love this lazy river. I'm enjoying it. We're baking. Okay. Okay. We're baking. Did that just like not fit and slowly slid out? Or is there someone in there pushing it back out? Hello? What is this? I don't even know what that was. Oh. Wet muddy clothes. Bye bye, beer. When the party's too lit. Heck yeah. What a cool dog. Bye bye. That. What? What is he eating there? Oh, he dropped his coffee. Aw, just when he thought he was in the clear.
My dumbass been sitting here.
The guy behind him didn't even really care. He just tried to save his food. I don't know if you guys saw that. He just like grabbed his food and tried to save it. Oh, she been eating all this melatonin. I mean, like, normally, like, I could be wrong here, but normally, like, candy don't really come in a container like that. Normally, if it's coming in like a container like that, like it's some sort of medication. Actually, she should probably explain what it was. Hold on. Hold on. I was talking over this. Alright.
Y'all, my dumbass been sitting here for like 10 minutes just eating these gummies. They're really fucking good. They're strawberry flavor, right?
Oh, no. She thought they were normal gummies. Okay. I normally don't see a twist-off lid with gummies in them that aren't like some type of medication. I could be wrong here. I probably am wrong, but I just say I don't see it. That dog! He just screwed up that whole slab up. Oh my gosh. And then he falls. Imagine being a customer up front and all you hear is loud banging in your kitchen. What is that? What is that?
I figured out I can.
I think I like it too. Burgers are pretty solid. Are these boiled eggs? I love when people just figure out random shit. Ew. There's no way! He's so focused on catching the fish, he lost like all momentum. What is this now? Juice?
Yo, I'm getting into K-pop. Who the fuck is Jizzo?
Juju on that beat.
Wow.
What the heck?
That was really good.
I shouldn't have laughed. Holy moly. Alright, gamers. Look at the cute little guinea pigs before we leave. Good night. I love guinea pigs. They're so cute. But on that note, we are done watching the video. I'm trying to post meme videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you want to join me in for some more meme content, some probably daily dose of internet content, all that fun stuff, I will be posting 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful night, everyone. Thank you.